I'm heading to the beach. Dad and I are heading to the beach. I wanted to go to Portland, but the road's still bad at Portland. I'm in that. So I just go Ochi. I'm thinking Puerto Seco or the one that's I normally go, Mahogany. Puerto Seco is like what, $2,000 to go in, and Mahogany $500. But Puerto Seco have the pool and the beach, and I haven't been there since I was yay high. Like I can't recall when last I've been to Puerto Seco, so I think I'm really interested in that, so I just may go there. So that is the vibe for today. Head to the beach. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, the place still at nowadays. So I will catch you guys when I'm at the place. Oh, you know, so I get a message. I get a message when me a video. Anyways, y'all, link here when we reach there.
Hey, trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for so cheap, being flex OD, sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey, you got it. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line. 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. You got it, girl, you got it.
Y'all, the beach was so lovely today. Like I literally did not get a chance to talk to you guys, but I'm definitely coming back to Puerto Seco. The pool area have a vibe. They have a live DJ playing, and the beach is just so gorgeous. Well, you know, it's not the prettiest beach, but it's very clean and I love it. Let me show you guys the sun behind me. Gorgeous. Well, it's gonna be dark. So yeah, we're gonna head to Sharky's for dinner, and then we're gonna head home. The beach was a vibe. So yeah, I had to leave Sharky's because we stood on there for like 20 minutes and nobody had to go order yet, and then my dad wanted jerk chicken and never have none, so we just get up and left. So we're now at Scotch's, and of course the line long because it's a Saturday, but it's okay. We're just gonna chill here. Okay baby, come. We're just gonna order some food and just chill and eat, and then head back to Kingston. So yeah, come wash your hands. Oopsie. Wash your hands. So yeah, that is what's happening this Saturday, and I really wanted some pasta, and the people in me better pay with mine. So yeah. Ordered some soup. That pork here tastes nice. So back for the beach and home. Tonight is Reggae Sumfest, the last night, night 2. So this is the rest of my vibe for the Saturday, watching Reggae night, Reggae Sumfest. So this is what I love about Reggae Sumfest. Like, you don't have to be there physically in the crowd. You can watch it live. So yeah, I love that for me and us viewers home. So yeah, Richie Spice now is on stage, so he's going good so far. I love his performance and his songs. You know, his songs are like classic. So yeah, the vibe for the rest of the Saturday. Let me turn up this thing.
Something for you ladies again. How we go? Real love, that's what you got. True love, you give a lot. Your love, it means a lot. Your love, it makes me happy. Hey! In the streets of
And the youth them I get so cold.
searching for food for the pot.
Do anything to feel like yeah. What you reap is what you sow.
Again alone. Y'all don't even know what you want from love anymore. I search for something I'm missing and disappear when I'm bored. But girl, what qualities was I looking for before? Who you settling for? Better for you than
Alright, so I just refilled my water a while ago. Yo, the place hot. Like I'm literally sweating like crazy. I can't even turn up the AC load because actually we're not gonna hear it. We're not gonna hear the AC, so it's gonna be like very distracting. Anyways, Chris Brown is coming to Jamaica in August. I'm off for the day. For my eye teeth, for my eyelash, my off in that crowd day at that Chris Brown concert. The period. That is so good. What the hell? Come on, this nice Chris Brown across Jamaica. Like the excitement what happened on the internet when they announced it. Say yo, Chris Brown I come to Jamaica. It was crazy. So yeah, definitely gonna be in that crowd. And the ticket prices aren't, but like they definitely have like reasonable tickets for like $5,000. But I'm just saying that is very affordable. They made it very affordable. I don't even think Burna Boy ticket was $5,000. One time ticket name was $5,000. So shout out to them for making, you know, the tickets affordable for everybody across the board. $5,000 for one party. For see Chris Brown, unheard of. A regular party at Jamaica is not even $5,000. Okay? But when you're going out, even if you pay for going to one party at Jamaica for $5,000, you're not getting nothing. It's only for entry. But you're getting entry in to see Chris Brown for $5,000. Shout out to them for that. So yeah, excited about that. So I'm going to the supermarket. I have a little 2 errands to do for today, Sunday. You going or you're not going? You're going or you're not going? For a Chris Brown concert, the $5,000 is like in the base of where keeping them say at the bleacher section and that far out. So not for Chris Brown. I'm gonna try it. Yeah, I'm going to want probably more than like one VIP tier. I'm going to want VIP tier. I want to be as close as possible of what I can afford. So yeah, I can't find a little extra money for just going to look a VIP middle section this up. Hopefully it's like close to the middle. Well, they have 2 VIPs. They have the blue and the green. I think I'm gonna go to the blue. The blue is 20-something grand and the green is 40-something grand. When I spend $40,000? I'm not spending $40,000. So that is a no-no. So definitely more than likely the blue. I can't find a like $20,000 for see Chris Brown. But double that, I'm sorry Chris Brown. You don't know me. I don't know you like that. It is a big no for me. Not like you're gonna know me, you're gonna probably give me a refund. When I mean say you'll give me back money. I don't know you're gonna buy me one house, you're gonna buy me one car. No, so I'm not going to spend $40,000 on no celebrity. It doesn't matter. You're not even Chris Brown alone. Like it doesn't even matter the celebrity. Like you is a no. Okay? I'm not spending certain amount of money to see nobody. But yeah, but I'm super glad to Chris Brown there. The excitement on social media was like the best thing ever. So alright, my there Earth Elements. I'm gonna grab some products I need and then I'm gonna head to my friend. I bring my friend some Aki. Yeah, you girl, look how much Aki this. Enough Aki this enough? No, my friend, Lord. How much Aki I get my friend? I'm putting one garbage bag. I've never have no other bag where it's not clear. Oops. Okay. My Earth Elements, like one thing about the store, they're gonna open every day. They open Sunday to Sunday. I love that. Like, yo, the people for the place here, y'all wanna have like a lifetime business, bro. They sell like everything earthly, hair products, natural, earthly, yeah, natural, earthly and natural products too. Like I love this business for them. People, them lock is literally one. They lock at 2 o'clock. It's 1 past the hour of 2 o'clock, and then they let me in. Like, I understand principle. If you're 2 o'clock at 2 o'clock, but I didn't even know they locked at 2. So that means I came here before 2 o'clock. And they sit down in the car. I chat 2 now. And that was like probably like a minute and something. So probably as me they reach and come out of the car, it would have been probably like exact 2 or it would have probably been like a minute before 2. Oh well, rules are rules, so whatever. But dang, it's just 1 minute past 2 though. I have one product I want. I'm gonna tell him alright. I'm gonna tell him I have one product I want. It's okay. Let it go. Let it go. Respect the people in busy. I'm still upset. Like, could have let me in 1 minute to the hour. Rolling my eyes. Oh boy, the summer is summering. Like, I have a lot of plans coming up, so look out for a lot of vlogs coming for the summer. I'm not gonna say anything yet. It's confirmed, but that's gotta just wait probably till like a few days, or when I start vlogging, then yeah, we get the confirmation. But you know, anything can go, so I don't want to like say anything now and then things change. But yeah, look out for a lot of vlogs. Look out for a lot of vlogs from me, guys. Today is Sunday. When this vlog comes out, it won't be Sunday. It's probably gonna be like in the middle of the week. So when you guys are watching this, I hope you all are doing well. And this is summertime, and the year soon. We're literally past the 6th month of the year. So this is July. So you know, as September, you know, as August step in and September, you know, when September step in, back to school, all of them stuff, and then bam, it's December and the year is done. So if you have things you need for work on, which I'm sure you do, we all have things and goals that we want to accomplish before a certain time, but we'll set it and them something like this. So continue to work at it. Continue to work at it. I have so many goals that I have not accomplished yet, and some I have accomplished. So some of them is definitely gonna go over into the year 2024, which is fine. Like, if things don't work out your way, that's just how it go. You have to, you know, continue push, continue going. So yeah. And then, you know, new year, new goals, but make sure that the goals are realistic. My goals are always, well, I'm not gonna say always, most of them are realistic, and like I said, I definitely sort out some of them this year, but there's still more to be done. I definitely need to push myself 100%. So sometimes I really slack off. Like, I've been slacking off so much. Definitely been slacking off with my goals, but something huge was accomplished this year. You know, super glad about that. Oops, you see, that's something I keep a good super glad about that. Yo, that's something still a drop. What was I saying before my phone rudely interrupt me? Because it keep on a fall, but my tiny thing at the back, so hopefully it stays, but the phone is like shaking because I don't really want me to pan. But yeah, like me that say, oh, the year ends, so anything one have to do fast, what can be done, what can be done right now, and just knock it off quick and fast. For 2025, hear me. For 2024, I'm just ready for the set new goals and all of them someday. And I wanna, for my channel, I mean, I've started off like doing food and then hotel reviews, and now I'm like doing vlogs. I don't know, my direction of my channel I think is all over the place, but I'm just gonna honestly show you guys like me, what I do, places where I go. That's all of that. So I'm guessing it's vlogs. My channel is called like a vlog thing now, because this is me, okay? just gonna be truthful and honest to you guys. Like, so I guess vlogging now is really where my channel is at the moment, but however I still want to make my channel impactful, useful at any given point. So there are certain videos that I would like to do, like sit down videos and talk to you guys about certain stuff, but like probably I'm just not ready, I think, for that yet. Eventually this channel will get there, and I hope you guys, if you like my content, just share it, because I want to reach like 5,000. I think that should be realistic, right? I think 5,000 is realistic by December. We're in July. That's 5 months, so that should be a realistic to get to 5,000 subscribers. So I hope that me have to push out the content there. But I don't force content, to be honest, and I know I'll probably put out 1 videos per week because I don't really do much, and you know, like I said, I work remotely, and to be doing my life every day is kind of repetitive. But you can find other ways to, like, you know, definitely tweak it for sure, for it not to be repetitive and if somebody here. But I guess I'm not like ready yet or at that, so I want to do that every day. So I know the one time video them a week, it's not enough. It's definitely not making any money really, you know. But eventually I get there. Like, I want to definitely like put out the minimum like 2 videos or more. The minimum 2 for this year. Well, I'm definitely gonna be, you know, I want my quality to definitely upgrade, because good quality, it's just like a different experience when your quality videos are just nice. And right now I'm using my XR. Like I said, I won't be upgrading my phone until 2024. That was a plan, okay? That was a plan. I'm still trying to stick to that plan though, okay? Oh, hold that thought. I need to call my friend, tell her that near. So I gave homegirl her things. So heading back home, and then I need to go drop off something to my father. But yeah, what was I saying? Yeah, but that's what I said, like, as it relates to the plans that y'all have, just want to keep it in motion and start it out, because the year is coming to an end soon. Yeah, we got things to do before the year is done, bruh. Got things to do. Got places to go. Need to make this shemani. We got things to do, period. Y'all, I have so much stuff to do today. Literally, may I work, I need to do my hair, may I go to the hairdresser right now for do my hair, and then after that may I go do my nails. Like, everything has to be done for today because I don't have more time for the week, and I'm extremely busy with work. So yeah, we heading a travel vlog, travel life. Now we kind of fly out. It's not a flight I'm taking, but alright, for us, let me explain. For us Jamaicans, I live in Kingston, so once we leave Kingston and we're going to another side of the country, we'll call it the way I fly out. So even when we go Ochi though, specifically Ochi rails, we say we are fly out, because you literally have to take a plane for go Ochi. I mean, you can but we're driving. But I mean, that's just, you know, that's a little foolishness that us Jamaicans depend sometime. But yeah, I am heading outside again. Like, it's summer, I'm gonna just feel like I'm busy for the rest of the summer. Like, we have yes of go, then this of go the following week, then Chris Brown coming up. No man, I'm outside. I don't know if I go outside so this summer, and then I have school I start back. Like, you know what? Take away the stress. I'm not talking about the stress and negativity right now, because to me school and negativity and stress, so let me just not talk about that. Anyways, it is a Tuesday or Wednesday? Tuesday, and we're gonna sort over here, nails, yeah, the whole shebang, yeah. Feel like, you know, no persons this time. I could, but I just can't bother. Yeah, so we're at a tote today. Yeah. So I will talk to you guys sometime later. I'm gonna eat nothing from morning, so I'm going to Clock Tower Plaza the hairdresser. So I'm thinking to probably get a smoothie because one of my friends opened a spot in a Clock Tower, so I'm probably just get a smoothie. So hopefully that can last me for the rest of the day till I reach at nail tech, more than likely 5. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, and I need to put on service on my phone because I have some calls to make for work, so I'm definitely gonna need to put on some service, some internet on my phone. The road is so busy after 11 and people not go work at their time. It's 8 minutes past 11 and watch the traffic in half a tree. It's not standing still, but Jano, I wanna work. I don't understand. Stress of being on the road. Yo, I have so much work to do. Like, I really need to start out the work here, and I have a lot to complete before 5 o'clock. Alright, so I'm in Clock Tower. Like, y'all, if I see my arm under my arm look white, it's the new spray thing that I'm just testing out to see if it works for me. I think it's a Dove one, but this shit is leaving too much residue, and I actually sprayed like far from my underarm, and that shit still, you know, getting white. So yeah, this cannot be worn without a full top because it's not cute. All this white residue, ew. All right. I just bought this foodie from my friend's place. I'm just gonna head over to the hairdresser, and it looks delicious. I think it's a fruit blend that I ordered. It's nice. Sweating out crazy.
All of my bitches got friends. Yeah. All of my bitches got friends. And they bad, so we're good. It's enough for the clip. Word.
The hair is finished. So I left the hairdresser. My hair like finished from a long time, but I had to do some work, so I just stayed here, and they have Wi-Fi and all of that. So I just stayed here and work. So now it's what 4:37. I'm heading to Popeyes. I need a salad. I'm trying to eat right. Okay, so no rice for today. So the only alternative is to buy a salad elsewhere. I ain't gonna make it at home. So yeah, I'm just gonna go here. Yeah, I'ma just buy it at Popeyes. I wanted to go Burger King, but I think Burger King salad is more expensive than Popeyes, of course. So I'm gonna just go Popeyes. Should be around $1,300, $1,400 for Popeyes, and I think Burger King is like $600. It's a salad with shrimp. I just can't eat the salad alone. It has to have some type of meat, and I don't want to eat chicken, so the other alternative is shrimp. So that's that. But my hair, I love my hair so much. Listen, the time at, I never want it so long, you know, but I couldn't get a 12-inch. This is 14-inch, and it's done individually. I love it. I love it. So yeah, this is my hair, and I'm gonna hurry and go Popeyes. What's it? The music low though. May I go hurry and go Popeyes, and hopefully the music never that crazy. Come and I repeat myself. But may I go Popeyes, I get the salad, and then finish work, and then the nail tech. Well, me I'll go nail tech now, and they have Wi-Fi there, so I gotta just finish up something what we need to do today, so we can send it to the clients, and yeah, do my nails, and then my head on my yard. So that's what's happening for today. Tomorrow, Wednesday, I'm gonna have nothing for it tomorrow. Thursday, I have to pack tomorrow. So this is such a crazy week that I did not expect. That there's just too much to do with no time, and I am so busy with work. The Plaza put up Jamaica and something already at Independence. They're very forward. Even same thing with this the mall. Even same thing with Christmas time. They normally put up their stuff very early. Yeah, like that's about them. Whew. Anyways, gonna buy some of the Wendy's, but I'm pretty sure that's pricey more than Popeyes. So we gonna stick to what we know. Okay. I definitely do love my hair. It's just that it's tall. I did not want to be so tall, and I couldn't get a shorter inch. I think 8 inch would have been perfect for me. Well, not 8, 10 or 12 would have been perfect. 10 and then something too bad for all of them long area. I don't care. Some are not. Don't all hear from me.
Put your hands up. You ain't know your girl's bad as fuck. Put your hands up. Yo, put your hands up. What? Put your hands up. If you ain't know your girl's bad as fuck. Put your hands up. If you ain't know your girl's bad as fuck. Put your hands up. If you ain't know your girl's bad as fuck. Put your hands up.
That want the fries. That is so unhealthy, no fries. Oh, I'm so tempted. Hi, afternoon. May I have a popcorn chicken salad, please?
Sorry to say, they don't have any dressing available. We
No
can offer you a
dressing?
sweet buffalo or torture sauce.
Repeat?
Can offer you a sweet buffalo.
Thank you. Alright, so I'm at the nail tech and I'm finished working. I literally have a long wait. There's 2 people in front of me. It's my fault too, because I did tell her that I'm coming at 3 and I'm now here like almost 5 o'clock. So yeah, but I'm gonna have my Popeyes and stuff. So finished working, thank God. So we'll talk.
What's up? Been a minute since we kicked it. You've been caught up with them bitches that I don't get it.
Alright, so I just picked up some food from my mom, Island Grill. I know you guys can't see me. I need to ensure that I keep like one of those light thingy that attached to my phone in the car. So like when I'm vlogging at night, like when I can at least see me. Because my roof light is up. That's what I will come with the car. Makes no sense. But I love the color of my nails. You guys would have seen that earlier. Love it. I love the shape. Actually, just go on TikTok and see. I think I've actually seen these shapes from what it's actually my first time doing this type of shape. And then I did my toes as well. Huh? It's 9:37 now. 9:37. Time to head home.